Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to learn SEO marketing. Start by grasping the core principles of how search engines operate and rank websites. Next, dive into keyword research to uncover what your target audience is searching for. Then, master on-page SEO techniques, optimizing elements like titles, meta descriptions, and content structure. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building an effective SEO strategy. Once you have the basics down, it's time to apply your knowledge. Focus on technical SEO, ensuring your website loads quickly and is fully responsive on mobile devices. Create compelling, high-quality content that genuinely helps your audience. Don't forget about off-page SEO. Actively work on building strong, relevant backlinks to boost your site's authority and search engine rankings. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, whether you're planning your week or just packing a lunch. You can find the link to these and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. To truly excel, delve into advanced SEO techniques. Investigate local SEO if your business serves a specific geographic area, optimizing for local searches. Recognize the critical role of user experience. A positive UX can significantly influence your search performance. Always stay informed about the latest algorithm updates and evolving industry trends to keep your strategies effective and competitive.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.